Hey guys, so I just got home from school. I'm supposed to be doing a paper right now, but I'm not. But for today, I'm doing an unboxing for you. I bought a bunch of stuff from Sephora, and we shall see what came. Alright, so let's see what came. Ooh, a sample right here. Paper, and let's just dump it all out. See what came. Alright, tossing back everything that fell. Okay, I love samples. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff. Alright, so, ooh, this is a bag full of foundation samples. I got that with a code. Ooh, 2 masks. And then 3 Bite Prismatic multi-use or multi-stick. The Bite Prismatic multi-stick. And these are in the color pink pearl, rose pearl, and oyster pearl. These are really pretty. I actually bought all 5 of the prismatic colors. I bought the other 2 colors previous to this order. But yeah, ooh, another mask, okay. Some glitter glue, some more concealer, fluid, I don't know what this is. Something from Giorgio Armani. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. Oh, I remember getting this. I got this from my mom. And then this Lancome Sunscreen Firming and Dark Spot Correcting Moisturizer. I might try it, but I might just give it to my mom too. Alright. I've never done an unboxing before, but that's basically it. This is what I got. 3 masks, 3 bite sticks, some other samples. Lots of samples. I wonder if there are more samples. What kind of samples came in here? It said in the, whatchamacallit, there was like a promo for it. And it was like 10 foundation samples. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get that. So, ooh, I am sample rich. So yeah, sponsor me. And this is all I got. These are all the things that I bought or got with promo. Alright. Okay, so I'm first going to try Rose Pearl. I actually tried all the colors except for Peacock Pearl in store. After I already bought them all. Just because I wanted to see how they turned out before I use them. And so I liked what I saw. Seemed promising. So I am now opening Rose Pearl. This is how it looks. So it came in this box. These boxes. It was inside this box, which was inside this covering. Really pretty, shimmery. And this is how the multi-stick is. It kind of looks like a lipstick tube, except with their logo. Not their logo, but it says Bite on the side. It's really cute, really small. Has like a matte finish to the outside. It's pretty. It's simplistic. It kind of seems like not anything besides like a lipstick tube. So, ooh, whoa, it's like magnetic. Wow. Okay. So, taking off the cap. Ooh, the color's so pretty. Going to unscrew the product. Okay, so this is how much product it came in. Yeah. I don't remember how much exactly. It says 0.17 ounces or 4.75 grams. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit and rub it on my skin. Oh, so shook. Okay, so it's like a very shimmery pink. It looks more like a burgundy or like a dark mauve-y color. It honestly doesn't look that like pretty in the tube, to be honest. It kind of just looks like, I don't know, like a glittery chalk stick. But putting it on, like swatching it, it's so pretty. This is Blush Pearl. I remember this is like a very, they're all shimmery, but this is like a light, yeah. This one's like a white color, but it's not white color. Just watch, just wait a second. I'll show you. Okay, so it still looks kind of white from like probably on screen, but it's like, has that like holographic-y purple shimmers inside kind of thing. Yeah. Alright, and now we're gonna do Blush Pearl. Ooh, this one. It's more like, it has more like a burnt sandy pinkish color. On screen, on camera, it looks a lot more pink. It does look pink here, like in real life. It's more like a pinky with some orange undertones to it. And of course it's shimmery. I love shimmery things. Putting it on, it's definitely more pink than the other ones. So this one's more like a burgundy. This one's like a white ice princey kind of thing. And this one's like a soft pink in the meadow kind of pink. Okay, so I just opened up actually Oyster Pearl. Ooh, we getting into it, dude. So this is more like, you know how like sometimes you just put different colored paints together and it becomes that brown? It ain't like that. It's a pretty, it's like a pretty, like, it's like a pretty brown, but it has like these green, colorful undertones. It's like rich, it's like copper. So, here. Oh my God. This is so, oh my God, I gotta rub more so you can get like the full effect. Oh my God, Lord. Save me. Oh my God. Okay, now moving, oh my God. This is, oh my God. I did not try Peacock Pearl in store because they didn't have it. But this was the one that that sold me. This was the one that made me want to buy all the other sticks, or like just buy the sticks in general. This color. Because Jordan Liberty put this color on the model's eyes, like on her eyelids. And like I think he used a base. But, and that's it. At least from what I saw. He used a base probably and this color. And it's like oil spill. You know, like it's like that colorful, rainbowy, greens, blues, reds, whatevers. And it was just like, oh my God, I'm livid. Okay. Oh my God, it's so, oh my God, it's so pretty. All right. I mean, of course, in here it looks like poop, but when you take it out, you can kind of see the like oil spill-ish colors. It has like that purple greenish tones to it. Are you guys ready? I'm so ready. Oh my God, this is like the first time I'm like swatching this. Oh my God, it's the reason why I bought these $24 multi-sticks, and I bought all 5 of them. I'm insane. Okay, so this. Okay. Oh. Okay, so like, yeah. It's like really, like, okay, let's be real. On my hand, it doesn't look that great. But It's like a very green, reflective color, and I'm livid. Okay. Like when he put it on the model, Jordan Liberty, he did it in a way where it was not too opaque, and it was like very, very light, but still so, like, I don't know, it's hard to describe. Honestly, I'm probably not doing this product any justice because I'm not good at eyeshadow. I've never been good at eyeshadow, but we're just gonna roll with it. Like, this is what he did. Like, not like this, you know, he's a lot better than me. Like, but he just straight up put it on her eyelid, like so. I believe, like, the model had a lot more eyelid real estate than I do. So, like, he could definitely bring it up higher and, like, I don't know, just make it look better. I do cat eyes because I have very hooded eyes, unfortunately. Not everyone is blessed with, you know, good hooded eyes, or, you know, like, I'm happy I have double eyelids, but honestly, they don't really serve me any purpose. Damn these eyelids. Let's see where it goes. I look crazy. I look like crazy town hit me in the face. I think that looks a little better, but it's kind of weird because when I put it on, it's not opaque as it seems to be. And so you can see the lid. So it just looks like, you know, when you just put black eyeshadow on, just black, but it's not black enough. So I feel like I'm moving the product around, but not blending it. Lord. Oh my God, it's like, it's smudging down here. Is that what's going on? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if I am digging this. Lord, I don't like this. I don't like it. I'm not happy. You saw me open these. You saw how excited I was. And now I am super sad. I'm very sad right now.